So it will do fractions if you select numerator, denominator. That looks like that. Okay, so this one, we have the fourth root of 5 to the third power. This is the same exact thing as this, and this is the way I put it in. I don't know why your book does this, because I think of it that the fourth root is on a swing. It goes whee and swings up there, and it's the same thing as 5 to the 3/4 power. So I don't know why it does that. I mean, it looks fancy, but why bother? I always do it like this. And the other thing in this part, your book says that it can't do this, but your book thinks you have a TI 82 or 3. That your book doesn't know you have an 84 that can do this. I like this older version of, I have several copies of this new Algebra II book, but I like this old one better. It's formatted better. It puts the important stuff in those green boxes that I'm always pointing out to you. The new editions puts it in the margin, and kids just think margin is unimportant and they don't look at it. So even though sometimes the technology, I just teach you the technology in the calculator labs, don't worry, but every now and then it will tell you things that your calculator cannot do that it can do, but just don't worry, I'll tell you what it can do. All right, so here we have an equation, and we ask our regular question. Why is x not alone? Well, it has a fourth power and a 2, and the fourth power is considered closer to it than the 2, so we get rid of it by doing the opposite. And what's the opposite of times 2? That's right, divided by 2. And what we do to one side? That's right, we do to the other. These cancel out, we bring down what we didn't mess with, so x to the fourth power equals 81. Now why is x not alone? Well, it's to the fourth power, and what's the opposite of something, a power? A root. So we are going to fourth rootify it. I'm sure that's a word, right? And what we do to one side, we do to the other. So we take the fourth root of 81 using our calculator, and your calculator will tell you 3, but you're going to remember, because this is an even root, you put plus or minus 3. All right, these are calculator problems. I want you to do all the examples in your book. I want you to practice it. I want you to be able to do it like it's a fraction and like it's a root, and go back and forth between the two. This is really fun and fancy, and you get to play with your calculator. How great is that? Come back next time and we'll talk more about exponents. Math is great.